Player tragedy. Billy Vigar, dead. Ex-Arsenal star dies aged just 21 after suffering brain injury, hitting head during Chichester match. But first, please subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new, and press the like button to support us. Welcome. An ex-Arsenal star has died following a horror brain injury suffered when he tragically hit his head during a match. Billy Vigar, 21, of Chichester City, was placed into an induced coma following the incident during Saturday's match against Wingate and Finchley. The Isthmian Premier Division game was suspended just 15 minutes in after the striker collided with a hard pitchside surface. He was treated by an ambulance crew before a helicopter rushed him to hospital. The fixture was then abandoned completely as the club confirmed Vigar had suffered a serious brain injury. He was then placed into a coma and underwent an operation, but the injury was so serious he tragically wouldn't recover.